Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up work days and duration in Smartsheet, an essential step if you want your project timelines to be accurate and reflect the real effort needed. By the end of this video, you'll know how to customize your project calendar, define working and non-working days, and adjust task durations easily, so your Gantt chart really tells the true story of your project schedule. So let's dive right in. Imagine you're looking at your Smartsheet and you already have your Gantt chart set up, tasks are in place, dependencies are looking great. But now we need to be sure that Smartsheet is counting time the way we actually work, not just by standard assumptions. That's where project settings come in. First, you're going to head up to the project settings, which is usually a gear or settings icon near your Gantt chart. Give that a click. What we're looking for here is the dependencies section. This is important. Dependencies make sure that tasks are linked together, and any changes to one task's timeline automatically affect any tasks that depend on it. So double-check that dependencies are enabled in your project settings. If you don't see that box checked, just click to activate it. This is the backbone of a dynamic, responsive schedule. Next, find the Edit or Settings option related to dependencies. When you click Edit, this is where things get interesting. You can actually customize how your project calendar works. You'll see options to define how long your work day is, say 8 hours, or maybe more or less depending on your team. Adjust this number so that durations line up with your real-world schedule. For example, if your team only works 6 hours a day, putting that in means Smartsheet can correctly translate, say, 12 hours of work into 2 real days for your team, not 1.5 by default. You'll also see options for working days and non-working days. This is super useful. Maybe your team works Monday to Friday, or maybe you're in a country where weekends are different, or you need to account for a midweek break. Go ahead and uncheck any days that are not work days. You can also set up holidays or planned shutdowns here. Don't worry if it feels like a lot. Just think of this as teaching Smartsheet your team's work calendar so it can do the time math for you later. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK to save. Now if you look at your sheet, you'll notice there's a duration column. This column is where you can get really granular. Smartsheet lets you change the default units from days to hours or even minutes. So if you have a task that takes half a day or just a couple of hours, you can enter 4H or 120M instead of rounding everything to the nearest day. This keeps your schedule detailed and accurate. One more tip on your Gantt chart, you can visually adjust how long a task takes by simply clicking and dragging the edge of a taskbar. This is especially useful if you realize a task will take more or less time than you thought. It's kind of like adjusting an event on your calendar. Just stretch it out if you need more time or pull it back if things are progressing faster. And that's it. With these steps, your Smartsheet Gantt chart will reflect your real working days and durations, helping you and your team stay on track with confidence. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And for more Smartsheet tutorials and project management tips, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.